Let's see how to solve numericals of multipliers. Before doing numericals, we should know there are three formulas to calculate multiplier. One, if change in income and change in investment is given, that is k is equal to delta y upon delta I. Second, if MPC is given, then k is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. Third, if MPS is given, then k is equal to 1 upon MPS. So you need to learn all these three formulas to calculate multiplier. So in question you may get 1 mark question, you may get 3 or 4 mark question also from this topic. So what you need to do is, with the help of MPC or MPS, you will find out first multiplier. Then after calculating multiplier, you will put the value of multiplier. So out of these two, one is given in the question, and after putting the value in this formula, you can find out the other value. Clear? So let's see. Let's take one example. Let's say example. First example is 60% of increased income is spent on consumption. Is MPC. If rupees 400 crore are invested in a project, find out increase in income or change in income and saving, means both change in income and change in saving. Let's see. So we have MPC in the equation. So first of all we'll use second formula. So k is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. So MPC is given, put the value and multiply, you can calculate, that is 2.5. So now what you need to do is, after calculating multiplier, you will use the first formula, that is delta y upon delta I. So multiplier we have, that is 2.5. Now 400 rupees crore invested. So it means change in investment is given, that is 4. So with the help of this formula, we can find out change in income. So when you will put the value, we have rupees 10 crore. So this is increase in the income. Now MPS, change in MPS depends upon MPS. So what is the formula of MPS? MPS we can calculate, that is 1 minus MPC. MPC is given 0.6. So we have 0.4 MPS. And the other formula of MPS is delta S upon delta Y. So MPS we have, delta Y we have, that is 10. So we can find out the change in saving, that is rupees 400 crore. So in this way we can find out the values. Clear? Let's take another example. Actual level of income in an economy is rupees 500 crore. Full employment level of income is rupees 800 crore. And if 1/4 of the additional income is saved means MPS. So 1/4 it is given. Calculate increase in investment required to achieve full employment level in the income. Clear? So MPS is given in this question, that is 1/4. So we can use which formula, that is 1 upon MPS, to find out multiplier. So put the value 1 upon 4, it is equal to 4. So multiplier you are able to calculate. Now we'll use another formula, that is delta y upon delta I. So multiplied we have now 4, and change in income. Actual level of income is 300 in the economy, and if we want to achieve full employment level in the economy, so income should be 800 crore. So how much change is required? That is rupees 300. So 300 is change in income, divide by delta I, that is change in investment. So we can find out change in investment with the help of this. So 300 upon 4 is equal to 75. So it means increase in investment required in the economy is rupees 75 crore. So let's take one more example. Saving is equal to minus 200 plus 0.25y. This is the equation of saving. And so minus 200 is this saving when income is 0, plus 0.25 is MPS, and y means income. National income at equilibrium is rupees 2000 crore. Find out investment expenditure at equilibrium level of income. Second, autonomous consumption. Third, investment multiplier. Let's see how you will solve. So saving equation we have. So put the value of income in this equation. So we have minus 200 plus 0.25 into 2000. 2000 rupees crore is given in the equation, that is income. So when you will solve this equation, we have saving is equal to rupees 300 crore. So at equilibrium, we know that saving is equal to investment. We have done SI approach. So according to that, planned saving will be equal to planned investment at equilibrium point. So investment expenditure at equilibrium will be 0.300 crore. Clear first point? Second, autonomous consumption, that is rupees 200 crore. How? Let's see. Saving is equal to minus 200, that is this saving at 0 income. So consumption we know that is y minus s. So y is 0 minus 200, that is saving. So we have 200. Clear? So you need to write. You have to show that how you have calculated autonomous consumption, rupees 200. Third is investment multiplier. So investment multiplier means K we need to find out, and MPS is given in the equation, that is 0.25. So with the help of formula, that is 1 upon MPS, we can solve multiplier. So 1 upon 0.25, it is equal to 4. So in this way we can calculate all the points. So let's take one more example. Find out national income if autonomous consumption rupees 100, MPC 0.80, and investment expenditure rupees 50 is given. So we know the equation y is equal to C plus I. Now see how what is the equation of consumption, that is autonomous consumption plus BY plus I. So put the values in this equation. Y is equal to autonomous consumption, that is given 100, plus B means MPC, that is 0.8, Y plus 50, that is investment. So after solving this equation, y is equal to 150 plus 0.8 y. So you will take one side values with y and another side without y. So we have 1y minus 0.8y is equal to 150. So when you will deduct, we have 0.20y is equal to 150. So y is equal to 150 upon 0.20. When you will solve this, we have rupees 750. So 750 is your income, national income. So in this way you can calculate all these questions, and this question is very important from both point of view, 3-mark question. So I have solved different types of numericals of this chapter. I hope it will help you to solve all the numericals. Thank you.